Hi guys, how are you? Myself Titikha Madhukoillo. Welcome to my YouTube channel Titikha Yoga. Please like, subscribe my channel, and for my new videos, please don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I am going to perform the yoga act which is known as Surya Namaskar. Let's start it. ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचय नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। Let's start again. Namaskar. Surya Namaskar has 12 steps. These are Om Mitraya Namaha, Om Rabaye Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Bhanave Namaha, Om Khagaya Namaha, Om Pushne Namaha, Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha, Om Marichaya Namaha, Om Adityaya Namaha, Om Savitre Namaha, Om Arkaya Namaha, Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Surya Namaskar is preferred to perform with an empty stomach. This yoga act helps us to exercise our whole body. If you want to be a healthy person, then do the yoga act regularly and it control thyroid and back pain. I hope you guys enjoy it and thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.